I believe designing is in everyone. We just have to find it within ourselves at our own pace. The most common question that people have asked me is how to get started in design, how to start as a beginner, how to be an expert, or just simply how to get started. So, in this video, I'll show you what are the tools and processes that I use to get started in designing. So, let's begin. What is up, you beautiful people out there? This is Tanish Bhatia from Design with Tanish, and today we're learning how to get started in designing. So, this is the start of a new series where I'll be showing you different tools and how to use them. I'll also show you some tricks and tips between them. So, this series will be known as Getting Started series. For this video, we'll be learning a tool which is pretty popular in the marketing community. It is also well known amongst many designers and many design agencies. This tool is known as Canva. So, what is Canva? Canva is a graphic designing platform which helps the users to create social media graphics, presentations, and posters. Recently, in their new beta version, they also introduced a new feature of video editing, in which we can also edit the YouTube intros and outros. So, who can use Canva? Canva can be used by both beginners and experts. I've seen it being used by novice designers and also by agencies. How can we use Canva? Canva is available on both web and mobile platforms. So I'll show you directly how it's done in Canva. So you just search for Canva, and the first link that comes up, you just click on that. I have already logged in, so I'll just sign out and show you the process. And it will show this this screen when you log in, when you haven't logged in, but you are when you open the link, and you can see all the templates and the discover and the learning and the pricing. So you just click on the login option and log in through Facebook. And here you can see different kind of designs and templates that are there, which you can use for your designs, or maybe your posters or presentations, videos, desktop wallpapers, and many. There are like numerous number of designs that you can use for this. And on this left hand side, you can see the all your designs panel, where you will see how to, like, what kind of designs you have designed in the past. The brand kit is basically your logos on hand when you need them. Keep design consistent, like it's like a brand kit given out by Canva. So and there's also this option for create a team, where you can invite your team members, and this is for free. And all your folders, like whichever folder, you can also create new folders, and basically all that. And trash is also basically all your deleted designs. So I'll just go for recommended for you, and I will create a video for this tutorial. I will create I'll create a YouTube videos. Select see all, and I will click YouTube outro for the ending. And I like this one, like this first one only, but I'll just look out for more and I guess I like this one also. Is there an option to save? No, there's no option to save right now, so I'll just look at the couple of options that are there, and I guess I'll go with this one only, and I will now this when you click on the template, it's shown here, and you can see the designs also, like how it will be shown. So I'll just just change it to thank you for watching, and or maybe I'll just create it into the primary, that is subscribe now, and the lower one, the lower element, to thank you for watching. Yeah, and what you can do is you can also change the the font styles of this, where you can choose different fonts, and there are a couple of options also there. You can change this font also to probably, I guess this one works, and you can also change the font sizes and the font colors from here. So this is a group layer, so you can also ungroup it for flexibility, and there are a couple of elements here which can be changed as the color can be changed of them as you like, but I like this as it is. You can also add a new page for the PDF if you're creating a PDF, and you can also add some photos or probably new text, or you can also add some videos, or maybe change the background color to anything that you like. I like white, but because black was working. So here is the undo button, or you can just press Ctrl Z. I'll just change it back to the previous color. And you can also add elements, like you can also add the illustrations, or different types of illustrations. You can also search for different types of illustrations, where you can choose it and normally drag it here, or maybe change it here, change the color of the illustrations, anything like that. I'll just delete this, I don't need it. I guess I'll be changing the size of it a bit, and maybe align it in the center. I guess now it works. Now here I can show the next videos, the end screen of my video, and I guess we're done. From this button you can click it and see the design, like how the video is playing. And as I said earlier, that this is a beta version, so the video part is still a beta version, and it has been available since like recently only. And you can also create it, like you can also download a PNG format of it, but mind you that you can't have a transparent background, as it is for Canva Pro only. When you click on it, you can see the Canva Pro, and yeah, you can get it free for 30 days, but after that it will charge. So I'll just download it if you want, and I guess we're done. There's also another option of sharing, like you can share it with anyone else, any friend or any stakeholder that you want, and he or she can share a link to edit that you want the other person to edit, or maybe share a link to view so that the other person can only view. So I think we're done with the web version. Now let's get into the mobile version and quickly finish up. So here we are in mobile, and I hope my audio is better now. And we're opening Canva, and as you can see, it is showing us the login. As you can see, it is showing us the screen, and it is also showing us to start with notifications. I'll just press OK for that. And here you can see all the designs similar to the web version. So I'll just go to the logo, and I'll create a logo, and I will choose something or the other. Probably what goes with design with. I guess I like this one. And don't get alarmed if the text style changes for a minute, but it goes back. So I'll just write Tanishq, and here I'll write design with. I guess this is grouped, so I guess when you click on so it was grouped, so as you can see that the button above ungrouped it. Now I'll just click on the design with and place it over there. I'll click on Tanishq and place it a little lower than that. I'll click on design with again and place it there. But that doesn't go with my design brand, so I'll change it to probably whitish and this to grayish, this to grayish, a little dark gray, like probably darker gray. And this I can remove this, and this is a gradient, so I will create a color for it, probably whitish or maybe bluish pinkish. Yeah, so click on this and pinkish. Yeah, and I can safely remove this. I'll go to the plus icon down below and click on illustrations, and I'll just write design. Okay, design, and I can search for a couple of options that are there. We can do this, but it is for Canva Pro members only. So I'll go to the illustrations again, and for this video I will change it to probably something easier, like this headphone, and I'll just place it in the center, change the colors of it probably to bluish. Yeah, now I guess I'll have to change the colors of design with and the Tanishq to, or maybe something like this to this. Yeah, it works. So here's how you do it in mobile, and you can also, this is the layers panel, like this is the pages panel, and you can add many other pages to that if you're creating a PDF. And this is the plus icon shows the different types of things or different types of elements that you can add to your designs. Like if I have to add logos that are already on my screen, so but I'll need Canva Pro for that. So I'll just close that, and this is how you create a free version. This is how you create a free version of your logo on Canva. So now you can just download it, download with transparency, add to logos. I guess download with transparency comes with Canva. So yeah, you can just create this with a white background and probably make it into a GIF or maybe an animation too. Like you can just click on the play button and it will show. Yeah, this breed is looking crazy. So you can download it from here, and I guess it's downloaded in my camera roll. And you can also download your download a design directly to your Canva roll from here. And what else you can do is you can click on this icon to share it, which will bring on this link where you can share it among your friends and share it among your friends on different platforms. So this will be here in your designs panel, and you can click on the three icons above and you can click on share, and here you can see the send edit link and send view link that I just explained on the web version. So this is how you create your logo in Canva. This was my first video of the series getting started, and now for the next one I'm thinking of going with Illustrator or Photoshop. If you have any preferences, just let me know in the comments below. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel if you liked this video, and if you have liked the previous videos on my channel. Thank you for watching. Have an amazing day.